Hello everyone, this is my review of the Perky-Pet Pink Hummingbird Feeder. This bird feeder is mostly made of glass and a flexible bottom and top. You fill it from the top, and it's good to use this to keep your food away from the ants and to allow the birds to have access to it so you can have your hummingbirds come around your house. I like them around the house because I like the humming that their wings make when they're flapping around. But it's a pretty good feeder. They're able to get to pretty easy from the flower axis there. They think it's flowers, so they go ahead and stick their beak in there and suck on the food in there. So yeah, I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.